So here in Garland, we're gonna send our Balikbayan box. So we're gonna send 3 box this time.
Yeah, 3 boxes.
Last year we sent 10 back. So
Yeah,
yeah,
but
Sally.
we probably could have only sent 2 boxes or 1 box.
Yes.
Because I think some of what we're sending is just unnecessary.
So let's go inside.
But maybe
Yeah.
we're always curious. Yeah, so here we are over here in Dallas at the PNB Philippine National Bank Remittance Center. Well, we got the 3 boxes sent, which is probably the least we've sent in a long time. And last year we spent a lot sending that furniture and everything, but I just don't see any need for any of that now. We have a friend, he just sent like a flatbed trailer load of, what'd he say, like something close to 40 boxes or something.
Yes.
Holy cow. $100 a box on that jumbo box, no matter how heavy it is. We got lucky because they said today, if you wanted to get it there by Christmas, today was the cutoff. Well, I dropped Miss Mel off at the Goodwill store. I'm wanting to head over here to West Marine. Well, they did not have what I need. They did not have it. I do need this. So I'm glad I just walked down here and seen this.
Whataburger shake. Enjoy yourself here with Whataburger. Double meat burger. Double meat, not only a one, double. At the moment, we're preparing to secure our stop here. Yeah, James is working there right now, and earlier we've been working, put some stuff in the secure area. And of course, the reason that we choose to be work this at the night because it's so hot in the daytime. Well, at least we catch up the hot here in the Texas just barely, just 1 week or 2 weeks. I guess, yeah, 2 weeks. So we're not really totally experience it so bad. So time check here is the 9 p.m. They're doing the job, right, Rugrats? Rugrat doing his job, guarding the house. Him and Blackjack, their buddy. They like to stay here outside and roaming around and play. And they went to the pond, I think, like more than 5 times a day just to swim there because I don't blame them. It's so hot. They want to be just cool off, right, boys? Yeah. So I really don't have idea if how long we gonna lay over to Japan, but it don't matter, you know. We're gonna head back home to Philippines anyway, so just enjoy the flight.
Good morning from another day in Texas. Yep, another day. Blew right on through, boy. So today is our last day in Texas. Technically, maybe tomorrow is, because we'll still be in Texas tomorrow morning up till about noon. So today is a wrap-up day. Getting everything secured, making sure everything's put up out of the way, and batteries are all safe and on a trickle charger like a battery tender. Having the dumpster right here picked up, so that guy's on his way here in just a little bit to do that. We've been loading up junk for recycling on a trailer right there on the back of my truck. I'm not going to haul it yet. It's not a full load, so I'm just going to put it in the barn, and when I come back, there's a little bit more stuff I'll probably add on there and haul it my next trip. Doesn't nobody need to use that trailer anyway. There's a neat trick to keeping people from borrowing your stuff when you're not around. Leave it loaded. And then if they say, hey, can I borrow your car hauler? I need to go pick something up or haul something. I say, it's loaded down. It's got a whole bunch of fencing materials and stuff all over it, you know, and some posts with concrete on the bottom of them. Oh, never mind. Hey, can I borrow your 12-foot trailer? We need to haul a couch and some furniture. No, it's loaded down with a whole bunch of scrap metal, unless you want to take it to the recycle place and drop it off, and just leave the cash at my house. Oh, never mind. Can I use your enclosed trailer? Load it down. Sorry, and it's locked up. And that's the way you do it right there. Yeah. Or leave a flat tire on it. One flat tire, and if you tell them you gotta go fix a tire, even if it's worthwhile to them, they'll be like, oh, never mind, because they want it perfect. That's funny stuff. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Clearing out the driveway right here. I had this pile of rock here, and I spread a bunch of it. It's all down in this grass. So when you see this is all rock packed in thick. And then I like the grass to grow over it, because honestly, I don't care to see the driveway. So all this you see here in grass, even all over there, is thick layers of this rock packed in here. And I like the grass growing in over it, and we mow right over the top of it. It's packed in flat. This is thick, man. You can pull 18 wheelers in here, bulldozers. It doesn't matter. It will not sink. This is years of me packing in rock. But right down here, I built the driveway up more. What happened is on this field here, it was shedding across going this way. And all my runoff was missing my pond and it was going right through the corral, man. It was just making the corral muddy as heck when you try to get cattle in there. So when I did some digging on the pond, I built this up right through here, and it left a low place on the side, and now all this water off this hill here sheds down, and it runs right into the pond right there instead of over there. So I had some fresh dirt in this one little area from that gate to here that didn't have rock over the top of it. So we've been applying rock on that. I'm gonna spread it some more here in a little bit. I stopped to get off the tractor, talk to you guys a minute, and I need to move my truck out of the middle of the drive so the container guy can come pick up that, and then I'll get out here and finish spreading this rock and shaping it up a little bit better. My culvert I put in right there for the overflow at the pond, it kind of settled in around it a little bit, so I added more rock over it there just then too, and I'll spread that just a little bit more also. Boy, at the baby fish in the water. Wow. Let's see if hold that, made me see them. I can't hardly see the glare on the screen. Lots of young fish. That is good. Dogs see me out here, they're gonna come for a swim. You gonna go swimming too, Blackjack? Huh? You gonna go swim? Yeah. Let's go ahead. There you go. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. How's that, Rugrats? That feels so good. I bet he goes 10 times a day. He don't get to run loose. That's Mike's dog, and this is our dog, which Mike takes care of. It's kind of become semi-Mike's dog too, but it's our dog also. Just call it the hilltop dog. Both of these dogs showed up here as strays years past. Years ago, he showed up as a stray, and Mel and I took him in. He was young then, and the same thing, Rugrats, as Mike calls him. He also showed up here as a young dog as a stray, and Mike took him in. He's a really good dog. I like him. So all this is starting to break loose from the shore here and float out in the pond. It'll probably die off soon. When it usually does that, floats off, it'll usually end up dying off. So the pond seems very vibrant, and I like leaving some of this. You know, some people, they just want to knock out everything in their pond, and there's a lot of natural habitat in that. These small fish even get protection there. There's some shading of the water. Now, you can get too many algae, too much moss, and it can take the oxygen out of the pond, but this pond is doing good. This water's pretty clear. Of course, it's got a dark bottom, but if you got right down there and put your hand in the water, overall the water's pretty clear. It's what gives it that nice dark look like that. It's not overloaded with algae. Look, wow, I seen a couple good sized fish down in there just then swimming right here close. That's another thing. Those big fish will get underneath that and hang out right at the edges of it there, and you can cast sometimes just out on the other side of the moss and all, and the hydras and things, and you just out on the other side of them, and those big fish will be hanging out underneath there, and they'll see it and dart out. Yep. Very nice. What you think about it, Blackjack? Huh? What you think about it, buddy? Yeah. Come on, let's go.
So this is it. This is it. It's time to travel back again. So Mike is ready there. Good morning. Yes, it's the end of our vacation. It's a beautiful morning though. So last night we had such a rough night. We haven't slept good because I think, you know, that's me and James, that's what we are if we have going to travel. We're not sleeping so good. Bye bye Rugrats, I'm gonna miss you. There's Blackjack there. Yes, we say bye. Bye bye Blackie. Yes. So me and James were planning to come back here, not in the summer. I'm planning to come back on maybe on spring, something different.
Sit there and at the desk or table and watch TV for a little bit. And I got
I'm not used to the express being on this side.
So finally we made it here in the DFW airport. So we're about to check in our baggage. Hey, we're bored. Bored going to Japan.